Hey guys, this is Mahendra from Domain Racer, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to create a portfolio website. In today's date, if you provide services online, then you need to have a website where you showcase your portfolio and also helps you look a little more professional than your competition. This will help you win a lot of projects in the long run. Now some of you guys might be thinking creating a website is very costly or it will take a lot of time. I'm going to show you guys how you can create a website this beautiful within 10 minutes without having any technical knowledge or without having a web design background. Also, the cost of this website is not going to be more than $50. So without further ado, let us get into the video.
Before we move ahead guys, don't forget to subscribe to Domain Racer's YouTube channel, and if you have any special request regarding a video that you want us to create, you can put that in the comment section. That said, let us get into the video. We are gonna create this website in 5 simple steps. In step 1, we will register our domain and hosting plan. In step 2, we will install WordPress on our website. In step 3, we will install a theme. And in step 4, we will customize the website and finally publish the website on the internet. So let us begin with step number 1. Before creating a website, you need to choose the right domain name and the right hosting plan for your service. Few things that you need to take into account before choosing a domain name are your business name, the length of the domain name, and the availability of the domain name. Also, whether your audience will be comfortable with using your website depends on your hosting plan. Now, while choosing a hosting plan, there are a lot of things that you need to make sure that you know about. In the description, you will find the link to a blog in which you will be told about all the things that are important while choosing a hosting plan. That said, let us move ahead with installing WordPress on our website. Now in the URL bar, just enter domainracer.com. After coming here, click on web hosting. Now you can find a lot of plans here: basic, personal, silver and advanced. You can choose whichever plan is relevant for you. For example, if you are just creating a single website, you can go with basic plan or the personal plan. But if you think that you will be creating multiple websites in the future, then go with silver or advanced plan. Once you have selected a plan, just click on the duration that you want to register the plan for and then click on view more. Now you need to enter a domain name that you want to create a website with. After entering the domain name, you just click on check and you will find out whether your domain name is available or not. If your domain name is available, just scroll down and click on continue. Here you can find the order summary of your plan. You just need to click on continue and then you can choose any of the additional services provided here and simply click on checkout. Now you need to fill all your details, for example your name, your email address, your phone number and your payment details. After you have filled all these things, you just need to click on complete order and your services will be registered. Now we'll move ahead with the next step. So again visit Domain Racer and click on login. Enter the email address and the password that you created and click on login. Now on the left side you will see services section. Just go to services and click on my services. Here you can see our services. Now just click on active and then click on login with cPanel. Now cPanel is very important for your website. You can access file manager, your emails, your forwarded emails, your add-on domains, everything from this place. For us to install WordPress, we will scroll down, find Softaculous Apps Installer and then select WordPress. Now just click on install now. Now just erase WP from here. Enter your site name, your site description. Now create a username and password which you will be using to log in into your WordPress website. After you have filled all the relevant details, just scroll down and click on install and within few seconds WordPress will be installed on your website. So after this is done, we can move ahead with creating our own website. So just click on your domain name.
And this is how our website looks right now. You can see there is no content on our website. First of all, we'll need to install a theme on our website. So let us go to our dashboard. Then go to appearance and click on themes. Now look for a new theme. Search for Zacra. Install this theme and activate it. Now you can go to Zacra option and then click on demo library. Now we'll look for portfolio websites. You can see 3 of these websites are premium. If you want, you can choose these websites, but for our purpose we'll be looking for a free website. So let us import this website. Click on confirm. Now just click on live preview. And here you see we have a complete website on our domain. Now we need to customize this website according to our need. Now there are multiple details that we need to update on this website to customize it. First one is your logo. Second one is your website name and site title. Third one is your contact details. And fourth one is your portfolio. So let us start with step number 1, that is customizing our logo. Just click on customize here. Now on the left side you will see site identity. Click on this and there is a logo option here. Just click on change logo. And now you can choose any of these images here, or you can upload your own logo. Once you have uploaded your logo, you can click on select and your logo will be uploaded. Make sure that the logo is in the right dimensions. Next thing is to update our site title and our tagline. So here I'll be writing my own name, which is Mahendra. And my tagline will be web designer. Once you have done that, just click on publish and your changes will be saved. One more thing that you need to update is your site icon, which is this thing. Now you can update this with your logo, or you can have a custom site icon. Personally, I don't like to keep a site icon, so you can just remove it, or you can upload your logo here. Then go back. Now we will move ahead with customizing this website and updating our contact details. For that, just click on cross here. And now click on edit with Elementor. Elementor is a very powerful plugin that helps you build custom pages on your website. These pages will be built by simple drag and drop, and you will not require any technical knowledge to customize your pages with Elementor.
Now with Elementor we can edit each and every section of our website. If you see, there are a lot of sections here that we need to edit. This section we do not need, so I will just remove it. Now this is a my team section. And since this is a portfolio website, we do not need this section. We will just change it to my clients. Now here we will be removing these images and we'll be putting the images of our clients. Now these clients could be big brands that you have worked with, or some people that you have created a website for, or you have done some work for. So to update that, you can just click on insert gallery and it will be updated. Next section that we need to edit is the services section. Now in this services section, you can remove or keep any section that you want. All of these sections should be very relevant to the service that you provide. Now if I am a WordPress developer, then I do not need digital marketing services on my website. So I will edit this section. I'll be removing digital marketing and I will enter something else. For example, let me put Java here and some details about Java here. After that, I can change the image here and upload my own image and then click on insert media. This is how you will update this section and put your own services here. So on the next section, if you want, you can keep it as it is, but we'll need to update the learn more button here. Just click here and now on the left side you can see there is a link section there. You should put a link here to which the people will visit when they click on this button. So you can keep this section, and then on the learn more button you can place your social media links so that people can visit your social media and follow you there. For me personally, I want people to visit my YouTube channel so that they get to know more about me and the services that I provide. This helps me build a little more credibility with my clients. So I'll just click here and then update this link with my YouTube channel link and then click on update. This way, when an individual clicks on the learn more button, they'll be visiting my YouTube channel. You can change it to any other link that you want, like your Instagram handle or some other website that you want them to show. Next section is this portfolio section, which is the most important section if we are building a portfolio website. Now this website could be used by a content writer, a web designer, or a digital marketer. Anyone who does some portfolio work. For my personal need, I would like to update this image with the image of website that I have recently developed. So just click on choose image and then go to media library. Now select the image that you want and then just click on insert. This way you can change this image and then we will be changing this text here. So just click on this text and then just change True Coffee to anything that you want. So for me, I will like to place the name of the website that I have developed and then some details about the brand that I have developed the website for and how I came about developing this website. This way our portfolio section will also be completed. So the next section is the testimonial section, which is also a very important section on your website. So you can just click here and now update the image with the image of your client and then the testimonial or what they have to say about your services. Lastly, the contact us section is from where the people will get to know about your contacts and contact you. So just click on address and put your own address here. Then click on phone number and put your personal phone number. Then your email address and put your business email address here. This way your contact us section will also be completed. Now the last thing is the footer. I'll explain to you how to change this footer section, how to change this phone number and the email address from here. But before that, if you want a special feature to be added here, then you can just click on this plus section and then select this structure. For me, I want a divider here between the footer and this contact us section. So what you'll be doing is just click on this and now you can see there are multiple icons here on this side. For example, if you click on image section, you can import an image. If you click on heading, then you can import a heading here. I want a spacer here, so I'll just drag and drop the spacer to this place. This will create a space between the contact us section and the footer section. This way you can increase and decrease the space between the footer and your contact us section. For me, I like to import some sections from time to time. Like here I want to import an FAQ section. So the client knows what all detail he needs to provide me before we can start working together on a project. So just click on this button and then go to blogs and then search for a category called FAQ. You can import any of these here. Click on insert and then you need to connect to the template library. After that, demo templates will be imported on your website. This way you can also import demos on your website with Elementor. But to get the full services of Elementor, you need to have a pro version, which should not cost you more than $50. After this, just click on update so that all the changes that we have made are saved. Now just go back up here and if you want, you can edit this section here or you can just delete this section. But for me, I'm a web designer, so I'll leave it to website builder that helps to grow businesses. Now this is a beautiful line, so I don't need to change anything here. And in the about us section, just upload your image and then put something about yourself. After that, your website will be complete. Now let me explain to you how to change the footer section. So just click on this back button here and click on customize again. And now click on the footer section. Now just scroll down and click on this pen tool. Here you can change your phone number and email address. And then click on this get direction and put your own address here and then click here and change the logo. After this, just click on update and all your changes will be saved. Now you can see we have created this beautiful website within 10 minutes with Domain Racer and WordPress. Once you have created this website, you can start customizing it according to your personal needs. You can go ahead with creating new sections, new pages, new posts so that this website looks much better. So with this, we have created a website. If you have any queries, you can put them in the comment section and we'll help you guys out. Now don't forget to subscribe to Domain Racer's YouTube channel. And if you have any special requests regarding a video that you want us to create, you can put that in the comment section. That's it for this video. Milte hain next time.